More candy. Is that yummy? That Easter Bunny knew exactly what you wanted, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Here, let me see that one.
A symbol. There's a big symbol, Daddy.
Is it a big symbol?
Turn it around.
Oh wow, it's a big
You put it
symbol.
in water and it grows and it changes colors too.
That's so easy.
Yes.
Oh, that's so easy. What is this?
I don't know. Let's see.
More
More Skittles.
There's a big cup. It's a Tootsie cup.
All right.
Those cool dinosaurs.
Cool dinosaurs.
What's this? What's those? What is those?
What is that?
Oh, jelly beans.
Yay! Jelly beans.
I love jelly beans.
I know you do. I love you.
Oh, what is this?
Hold the bone. There we go.
A T-Rex.
T-Rex.
What's this guy?
That's a big dinosaur, huh?
Oh yeah. Well, what is this?
Whoa.
No candy.
Hey Wyatt. Hey Wyatt, can you say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
I love you.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.